Hello everybody, I am Dr. Mohammad Bakshu, working as lecturer in botany, PVKN Government College, Chittoor. Today I am discussing about the Unani system of medicine or Unani Tibbu medicine, which is one of the important system of medicine in Indian traditional medicines. In previous lectures, I have also discussed about the Ayurvedic as well as Siddha systems of medicine. Now we are discussing about Unani system of medicine or Unani Tibbu. Unani medicine is alternative medicine that originated in ancient Greece but is now practiced primarily in India, involving the use of herbal medicine, dietary practices and alternative therapies. Unani medicine addresses the prevention and treatment of diseases. Unani medicine is largely based on principles proposed by such physicians as Hippocrates and Galen. In addition, a number of Arab and Persian scholars, including Arab philosopher and psychist, physicist Avicenna, have contributed to the development of Unani medicine. The word Unani means Greek in Arabic. Unani medicine was introduced in India around 12th century. Unani medicine is a synthesis of contemporary systems of traditional medicine in Egypt, Syria, Iraq, Iran, China, India and other Far East countries. This is popular in different parts of the world in different names. Greco-Arabic medicine, Arabic medicine, Tibb medicine, Sunnate, Tibb, traditional Iranian medicine, Eastern medicine and Aghwar medicine. The Perso-Arabic system of medicine was based on the teachings of the Greek physicians Hippocrates and Galen. Aesculapius is credited as originator of this system. Bakrat is better known as Hippocrates, is said to be the descendant of Aesculapius and recognized as the father of Unani medicine. Al-Razi made fundamental and enduring contributions to the fields of medicine, alchemy, music and philosophy, recorded in over 250 books and articles in various fields of science. Muhammad Azmal Khan, he is better known as Hakim Azmal Khan, was a physician in India who lived in Delhi and one of the founders of Jamia Millia Islamia University. He also founded another institution, Ayurvedic and Unani Tibbiya College, better known as Tibbiya College, situated in Karol Bagh in India. Karol Bagh, New Delhi. He is one of the important pioneers who contributed more in the development of Unani medicine. Though the threads which comprise the Unani healing can be traced all the way back to the Claudius Galenus of Pergamum, who lived in the 2nd century of the Christian era, and also to the ancient Iranian medicine, the basic knowledge of Unani medicine as a healing system was developed by Hakim ibn Sina, known as Avicenna in the West. In his medical encyclopedia, the Canon of the Medicine. The time of the origin is thus dated 1025 AD, when Avicenna wrote the Canon of Medicine in Persia. While he was primarily influenced by the Greek and Islamic medicine, he is also influenced by the Indian medical teachings of Sushruta and Charaka. Unani medicine first arrived in India around 12th to 13th century was establishment of Delhi Sultanates and Muslim rule over North India and subsequently flourished under the Mughal Empire. Alauddin Khilji had several eminent Unani physicians in his royal courts. The royal patronage meant development of Unani practice in India but also Unani literature with the aid of Ayurvedic physicians. According to the basic principles of Unani, the body is made up of 4 elements: earth, air, water, fire, which have different temperaments, that means cold, hot, wet and dry. After the mixing of the interaction of four elements, a new compound having new temperaments come into the existence. The body have the simple and compound organs which got their nourishment through the four humors: blood, phlegm, yellow bile and black bile. The humor also assigned temperament as blood is hot or wet, phlegm is cold or hot, yellow bile is hot and dry, and black bile is cold and dry. The roots of the Inani systems also have its origin in Ayurvedic medicine. It is comparable with the four elements in the system, that means earth, water, fire and air. So these four elements are considered as very important in the body formation. The body is considered to be comprised of the following things: arkan, different states of the matter and materials entering into the body and forming a part of the everything in the universe, that means elements. Mizaj, the bodily temperament, physico-chemical aspects. Akhlaq, the structural components, bodily humors. Ada, the fully developed mature organs, that means anatomical parts. Ruh, the vital force or life force, mental or nervous energy. Kua, the bodily power or physical energy. And Afal, the corporeal function or physiological and biochemical processes. Human health is based on the 6 essentials called Asbabe Sitta Jaruriya. If these are followed, health is maintained, otherwise there will be disease. These 6 essentials are atmospheric air, drinks and food, sleep and wakefulness, excretion and retention, physical activity and rest, mental activity and rest. The Inani system also having a diagnosis system based on the Nadi or pulse testing. This is also one of the important modern system of diagnosis. One more thing is, World Inani Day is 11 February is celebrated in India. Any cause or any factor is countered by Kuvate Mudabbira e Badan, the power of the body responsible to maintain health, the failing of which may lead to the quantitatively or qualitatively dearrangement of the normal equilibrium or acloth humors of the body which constitute the tissues and organs. This abnormal humor lead to the pathological changes in tissues anatomically and physiologically at the affected site of the body and exhibits the clinical manifestations. After diagnosing the disease, Usule Ilaj, principle of management of the disease, is determined on the basis of etiology on the following pattern: Izale Sabab, elimination of the cause; Tadile Akhlaq, normalization of humors; Tadile Aza, normalization of tissues and organs. The diseases are treated in the following ways: Ilaj bil Tabdir, regimental therapy; Ilaj bil Giza, dietero-therapy; Ilaj bil Dawa, pharmacotherapy; Ilaj bil Aid, that means surgery. Ilaj bil Tadbir is called regimental therapy based on the drugless regimens and advised for the treatment of ailments like exercise, massage, hammam, Turkish bath, douches, cold or hot, and regimen of the geriatrics. Ilaj bil Giza means dietotherapy. Different diets are recommended for the patients of these different diseases. Ilaj bil Dawa, the concept is treatment to correct the cause of the disease that may be abnormal treatment due to the illness. The Inani medicine conditions are often treated with the herbal formulas containing a variety of natural substances. For example, A formula known as Khamira Abrasham Hakim Arshadwala contains some botanicals such as saffron, cardamom, Indian bay and citron. Considered a tonic, Khamira Abrasham Hakim Arshadwala is said to be enhances heart health and aid in the treatment of cardiovascular problems like high blood pressure and angina. Commonly prescribed treatments in Unani medicine also include dietary changes, leech therapy and surgery. Thank you very much for your patient listening and watching the entire video. Thank you once and again. The ancient systems of medicine are very important in the primary healthcare system of the medicine.